What will the future hold for us? Presented by Julia Andrea Alfonso. I live in Bogota. Bogota is the capital of Colombia. Population approximately 7,150,000 people. Urban area 107,075 kilometers. Average climate 13 grades Celsius. Although Bogota has rainy seasons and dry seasons, the climate is very variable. Education. Current situation of education. Bogota has an extensive number of public and private schools in the city, but the quotas in the schools are very scarce because of the number of families that arrive in the city from other places. The mayor is building more schools to solve this problem in the city. Universities. 1,004 institutions of higher education. Additionally, Bogota has 8 of the best universities in the country, according to the Ministry of National Education. For example, the National University of Colombia and the University of the Andes. Current situation of natural resources. Bogota has a lot of diversity in its ecosystems. Today, I will name two that are too important. Bogota has in its territory the Paramount of Sumapaz, the largest in the world, and its most Bogota River extensive river is the Bogota River, which for decades has presented high levels of pollution in the country. Current culture and entertainment situation in your city. Excuse me. Current situation of your urbanization and commerce. Bogota is in the process of growing, but in the area of urbanization with the construction of buildings and expansion into the nearby areas of municipalities. In the commercial part, Bogota is a city that is characterized by having a fairly large trade. The construction of new shopping centers makes it a city where different merchandise arrives from all cities and countries. Current culture and entertainment situation. Bogota is recognized by the different places of interest it has to know. There are variety of theaters, museums, recreation centers, and diversity of shopping centers to share as a family. Your personal perception on security in your city. Bogota is a very insecure city due to the numbers of robberies that are carried out daily. This is due to the unemployment rate in the city and the arrival of people from other cities looking for a job opportunity in the city. Your personal perception on migration. Bogota, being such a big city and presenting different opportunities to work for people, is very attractive by the migration of people from other cities and countries. Migration does not allow the city to have a development to improve because of the high level of unemployment it presents, making it an insecurity city. Thank you.